You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all the correct, I said the correct, or at least original, Swiss and German pronunciation of the name of this potato dish. Pronounced in German because it originates from Switzerland and a part of Switzerland where they speak German, and it's pronounced Rösti. Yes, the O umlaut is like a schwa sound, an sound, Rösti. Therefore, in English it should be pronounced Rusty. Rusty would be a closer pronunciation to the original one, Rösti. But the pronunciation in English is usually as Rusty. I guess it sounds a little bit better. Does it sound better, Rusty or Roasty? In your opinion, let us know in the comments. Should we pronounce it Rösti or Rusty? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.